What's up everyone, for today's video I'm gonna insert a micro SD card in my Nintendo Switch Lite. So let's open this parcel. It's just a lightweight parcel and I buy this in Shopee. And so it costs only not so the micro SD. So the brand is the SanDisk, and it's also a 512 gigabyte. So as you can see over here, 512 gigabyte, and then ultra disk, ultra micro SD XCU HS1 card with adapter for better photos in full HD video. A1 for faster mobile app performance, speed up to 100 mbs, 667x. So it is a SanDisk. So let's open it up, guys, and then we're gonna insert this into my Switch. So here is the there's still a cover on it, so here it goes. So we're gonna take this adapter, and then we're gonna take this SD card. So here it is. So this the SD card, guys, small SD card, and we're gonna insert this into here so that I can download more games into my Nintendo Switch Lite. Okay, there you have it. So let's turn it on. Okay, there you have it. Okay, so let's a system update is required to use the micro SD memory card to perform a system. Later, return to the home menu and select settings. Okay, let's system update first. Okay, this is the new version. A system update is available. Update now. Okay, let's update it. The console will restart once the update is complete. Any suspended software will be closed. Okay. So it's completed. Oh, fast. Yes, it's starting now. And then after it, we're gonna the device is restarting. So after it, we're gonna go to settings, and then gonna go to the, I think, data management. Move data between system and micro SD card. So move to micro SD card. Okay. Where do we go? Okay. Oh, okay. Save data in some up data cannot be okay. So it says here save data and some update data cannot be moved. So let's move data. The following software will be moved so that it can automatically into the micro SD. So the system memory is blinking, the green one. So it means that there's still we're gonna save up some memory through the So the internal storage is only 32 gigabyte, and and also the external storage, the micro SD is 512 gigabyte. So let's move them up. Okay, let's wait for up. And so finally it ends. So you can see there's a cloud. So it means it's saved into the system. So let's check here, data management. So here we go, guys. Okay, so the memory is now 22.22. So we can go back to home window and let's go. If I can download the um, Asphalt 9. Let's see if I can download that game. So that's it, guys. That's it for today's video. Hope you enjoy watching and hope you like it. Please like and subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell to notify all of my upcoming future videos here in my channel, the Vermal Product Reviews. Thank you so much.